everyone, how you going? I figured something out. If I put my hand up to the camera like this, I end up in places like this. How cool is that? So, here I am at Glasshouse Mountains. No kids apart from this one over here. We've got Dan. He's got the Patrol. Got the Prado. Letting the tyres down. And let's see what mischief we can get into today.
Strung out, upside down, this house is haunted. Your echoes fade away, they fade away. If I could break free, climb to the space where you left me, and kill all the bad dreams that weathered the cold of secrets. It's suffocating, can you feel it? It wasn't fair how we got caught up. I never meant to burn out. You never should have let go. Your echoes fade away. Strung out, upside down, this house is haunted. Your echoes fade away, they fade away. Matches into the sky, we spark and fade into the night. We are matches into the sky, we spark and fade into the night. We are matches into the sky, we spark and fade into the night. We spark and we fade, we spark and we fade. Pass me the scissors, I'll use them to cut you out. I could waste my time, but I don't wanna scream and shout. Tell you what's on my mind, I've gotta get this out. I'll take a toaster in the back.
Right, I'm going to give this a crack. I'll show you in a minute, but at the moment we've just hooked me up. Got the snatch heat up there. Got the snatch here getting ready. Going to go for a dip. All through there. And it's starting to rain. It's coming in. Holy shit. I just got through it. I got it through it. I got through it. Sweet. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Oh shit. Oh damn. Look at that. Woo! Oh.
I'll try hard to avoid the truth. I never wanted to
that was slop. Real soupy like. We are camping tonight. Just basic swag, so we'll head to camp and we'll get set up and well, have a drink. See you at camp. There we go. We're at camp, all set up. Well, I'm set up. Have a look. All I need is a chair, barbecue, swag, drinks. Done. Got Dan over here. First time using the King swag. And he's still trying to put his Taj Mahal together. Firewood delivery, fire pit, and have a look at the campsite. Now these guys I contacted on Facebook. Right, it's now dinner time, and I've got the barbecue going. Just the basics, and as I found out, we don't have tongs, we don't have knives or forks, we don't have plates. I don't have tongs, I don't have oil. I brought the barbecue and we got some food. So, you know, I guess the wife packs all that stuff normally. Oh well, it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. So tonight we'll be having dinner, and I've got to get the salad out yet. So dinner on our plates will be cardboard. Oh, that's what we got. Got to deal with it. Well, good morning. Today's going to be an absolute cracker of a day. After breakfast, coffee. We're going to head back to the Glasshouse and do a little bit more before we head home. Maybe around lunchtime, I'm thinking. But, in the meantime, pop that there. Let's transport over to there, hey? And here we are on the road again, back at the Glasshouse. We've just started, get back in the trucks again. So let's see what today brings.
Say 15 days that I spent fighting
this morning was spent trying to look for some tracks. We got lost for the rest of the morning we got lost. When we found our way back in, we tried to hit up some more tracks before heading to home. So unfortunately, I'd like to show you more, so I'll leave you with this, and until next time, enjoy. Rightio, it's raining, and went into a bug hole. Now I'm stuck, so I've got to get out. Have a look, watch this. Oh! Holy heck! Dude, that is buggered up. Grab the strap. How did he do that? There we go. Oh. Oh, no. This is messed up. This is messed up. Go forward. Rightio, just nice and gentle. It's not going to take much.
We get through that way.
Around the outside. Rightio. Whoa, back to the car. Shit. Check it. Oh man, I've got some cleaning to do when I get home.